If you're thinking about using HelloPrenup to protect your assets before marriage, there are a few things you need to know before you pull the trigger. In this video, we'll be diving into 7 crucial points you must consider to make sure you're making the right decision. So stick around until the end to get the full scoop. First things first, HelloPrenup offers a modern, user-friendly approach to creating prenuptial agreements. Unlike traditional law firms where the process can be overwhelming and expensive, HelloPrenup provides a streamlined digital experience. You can create a prenuptial agreement from the comfort of your home at a fraction of the cost, often around 10-20% of what you'd pay a lawyer. Next, the platform is designed to be intuitive. If you're familiar with apps like TurboTax, you'll feel right at home. You answer questions step by step, and the system generates a customized prenup based on your inputs. This ease of use makes it an appealing option compared to the traditional method of hiring an attorney, which can be stressful, slow, and unpredictable in terms of pricing. The third thing to consider is how flexible the platform is. HelloPrenup is not just a template-based service. It allows you to customize your prenup to suit your exact needs. From splitting assets to protecting business interests, you can tailor every detail to match your specific situation. It's perfect for couples who want a personalized agreement without the hassle of endless meetings with lawyers. The fourth thing you need to know is the affordability factor. Unlike other prenuptial services, which can cost thousands of dollars, HelloPrenup offers a much more budget-friendly approach. Prices are transparent, and there's no hidden fee structure, unlike the typical lawyer route. Plus, you can try the service for free from the link below, which means you can explore the platform and make sure it works for you without any upfront cost. Fifth, HelloPrenup isn't just for high net worth individuals, it's designed for everyone. Whether you're just starting out or you're already established financially, the platform caters to all couples. It's a tool that scales with your needs, which is why it stands out from competitors, who tend to focus only on wealthier individuals or more complex cases. The sixth thing to keep in mind is the legal backing. HelloPrenup partners with top attorneys in the US to ensure that the prenuptial agreements they generate are legally valid. If you're worried about whether your prenup will hold up in court, the platform makes sure it's compliant with state laws. This is a major benefit compared to DIY prenup websites that don't offer the same level of legal assurance. Now, here's the seventh and final point: customer support. With HelloPrenup, you're not left on your own. Their support team is available to answer any questions, guide you through the process, or provide clarification when needed. This personal touch is something you won't always get with other digital platforms or traditional law firms, where you might feel like just another client in a long line. So, whether you're considering HelloPrenup for the ease, the affordability, or the customizable features, it stands out in the crowded market of prenuptial agreement services. If you're looking for a simple, effective way to protect your assets, this platform offers one of the best solutions out there. If you want to try out HelloPrenup and get exclusive benefits, click the first link in the description below. You'll also get the best offer available for the software, including a free trial to see if it fits your needs. Don't miss out. Take control of your future today with HelloPrenup.